What we're definitely most known for is helping support real estate investors. Some really unique things in the marketplace that we offer is low money down. So in Alberta, minimum that we need down is 10 grand. In Ontario, minimum that we need down is $20,000. And the value to your clients for that is clients are able to do volume. So like our top flippers right now, the number one guy, he's flipping 20 properties at once, currently right now, all at the same time, all on the go. So he's really obviously scaled up his operation. So having a lower down payment, clients are able to do volume, capitalize on more deals as opposed to doing 20, 25% down. But even if you're not a super sophisticated, you have, a massive portfolio, we eliminate the capital barrier by having a lower amount down. You don't need the 20, 25% down. You still have funds for your renovations. So we'd like to think we're really eliminating and helping more people get into the market for flipping, if that's obviously the direction that they'd like to go, or buy, renovate, and then refinance. If they're looking to keep it as a cash flowing rental property, obviously we're known for really quick turnaround time to your guys' point. So it can fund, depending on the province, next day in Alberta or in 2 to 3-ish business days if it's in Ontario. Fully open mortgages, so clients, fully incentivized to pay them out as soon as possible. And then if they are a newer real estate investor, we don't need an appraisal. So something that's been really huge for a lot of these newer real estate investors is underwriting the deal to ensure that the client's going to be profitable. So if we run the numbers, even though, Calvert's going to make their money off fees and interest, it's our number one underwriting criteria, seeing that clients are going to be successful. I know there's a lot of, unfortunately deals going bad in today's marketplace, especially, year or so ago when the market dropped, depending on the province and property type and location, but like 20%. So a lot of clients went out of the marketplace. So we internally underwrite our deals to ensure that clients make a minimum profit of $20,000. The profit that we typically see is in around that 50 to 75-ish $1,000 profit range. And what we're looking at is just ensuring that they're taking all their costs into association. So, typically some people will leave out some of their operating costs. They project everything on a best case scenario. Think it'll take 4 months, 7 months down the road, it comes by. Things always get delayed. Projects are always done over budget, unfortunately, for the most part. So just ensuring everything's on a worst case scenario, ensuring that clients are going to be profitable is something that we really, we'd like to think makes us really unique to ensure that clients are successful. We don't do one deal with them. We really want to build a long-term relationship, especially the ones obviously that are doing volume, and just ensuring that we're looking out for their best interest to give them an amazing client experience. They're going to be profitable. And then they're working with amazing brokers like yourself to ensure that, if they can't sell the property or if their plans change, they're able to qualify on a refinance. And we really lean in on you guys to vet and do that underwriting. And you guys are awesome at what you do, to ensure that, clients have multiple exits. Because, with how high interest rates are going, numbers for a typical refi, if they don't work anymore for a long-term buy and hold, they want to do Airbnb now or a midterm rental. People do need to get quite creative nowadays in order to just make the numbers work if they're looking to keep it as a cash flowing rental. So I know that was probably a really long-winded answer. Cole's notes is fully open mortgages can close really quickly, low money down, no appraisals, and client's best interest.
Well, it's funny because like as you're going through, I have all these questions in my head, and then you just kept answering them. So I'm like, okay, like that's so elaborate. I love it.